Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So Keandra and I have been working on sprucing up our living room. You guys know, like every holiday season, we kind of try to do something a little bit different. So whether it's in the fall or the winter, this year we've chosen blues, shades of blue to incorporate into our space. And so our mom and I are about to do our new flower arrangement because it is time for a new flower arrangement. We've had our pink flower arrangement over 15 years, I think, because I think she made that one in 2009 or 2010, and so it is that's actually well over, that's like 15 years ago. So we are ready to change it up and kind of do something a little bit different. So we have some really nice flowers. We may need to get some more. We definitely have some other things that we want to put into our space. We want to get a new photo, like a new picture, like something really big and wide, like a black and white something. So we've been really looking high and low for that one. And then, so, you know, it's kind of like a relaxing day. We're going to make our mocktail today. So I'm so excited about that because I don't know what that's going to taste like, but it's got pear, it's got guava. It's supposed to be really good. So, and then I have some things in the washer. It's just washing. So like I said, it's like a relaxing, kind of slow day. We definitely have some errands to run. I have a package, a PR, well, not a PR package, it's actually a content package that I have to go and get at our mailbox. And so I'll be going to do that today. And then, of course, like I said, Keandra and I, we have some other things to do today. And of course, we're going to take you guys along.